Thank you for watching my volcano experiment. My name is Judah Bush and I will be showing you an experiment. And both of these volcanoes have the same amount of baking soda in them currently. The difference between the circumference of volcano's A's crater is 6.5 inches and volcano B's is 3.5 inches. I'm going to pour one half cup of vinegar into each, and we will see which one has the longer eruption. I think it'll be volcano B. Here we go.
Is it done?
Come on. It's still bubbling up.
No, you can't do that. Tell me when it's done.
Done.
Okay.
So bubbling, so bubbling, so bubbling. Should I give that one a little?
No. Just watch, Drew.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.